Hello everyone. Question is which of the following describes the architecture vision document? Option A description of individual change increments showing progression from the baseline to target architecture. Option B a detailed schedule for implementation of the target architecture. Option C a high-level description of the baseline and target architectures. Option D a joint agreement between the development team and sponsor on the deliverables and quality of an architecture. Option E a set of rules and guidelines to support fulfilling the mission of the organization. Correct answer is option C. Question is according to TOGAF, which of the following best describes how the enterprise continuum is used in organizing and developing an architecture? Option A it is used to coordinate with the other management frameworks in use. Option B it is used to describe how an architecture addresses stakeholders' concerns. Option C it is used to identify and understand business requirements. Option D it is used to provide a system for continuous monitoring. Option E it is used to structure reusable architecture and solution assets. Correct answer is option E. Question is what document is sent from the sponsoring organization to the architecture organization to trigger the start of an ADM cycle? Option A architecture contract. Option B architecture definition document. Option C architecture vision. Option D request for architecture work. Option E statement of architecture work. Correct answer is option D. Question is according to TOGAF, which of the following best describes architecture governance? Option A categorization mechanism for architecture and solution artifacts. Option B a framework for operational and change activity. Option C a method for designing an information system in terms of a set of building blocks. Option D the life cycle management of information and related technology used by an organization. Option E the practice by which enterprise architectures are controlled at an enterprise-wide level. Correct answer is option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which component within the architecture repository holds best practice for template materials that can be used to construct architectures? Option A architecture capability. Option B architecture landscape. Option C architecture meta model. Option D governance log. Option E reference library. Correct answer is option E. Question is complete the sentence. According to TOGAF, all of the following are responsibilities of an architecture board except blank space. Option A allocating resources for architecture projects. Option B decision making for changes in the architecture. Option C enforcing architecture compliance. Option D improving the maturity of the organization's architecture discipline. Option E production of governance materials. Correct answer is option A. Question is according to TOGAF, which of the following best describes the purpose of a compliance assessment? Option A to ensure that architecture information is communicated to the right stakeholders at the right time. Option B, to govern the architecture throughout its implementation process. Option C, to provide a high-level view of the end architecture product. Option D, to show progression of change from the baseline architecture to the target architecture. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following describes the key objective of the technology architecture phase? Option A, to define the solution architecture needed to support the application architecture. Option B, to define technology components into a set of technology platforms. Option C, to define the transition architectures needed to achieve the target architecture. Option D, to develop a migration plan to deliver incremental capabilities. Option E, to select a set of technology products that will form the basis of a solution architecture. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.